Felix the Cat has got to be one of the best shows I have ever seen. This show was about the one cutest of the Felix the Cat favorite of the cutest cat and let it go on great adventures. Felix the Cat is awesome. And one of my favorite characters of all time. One next is her very smart, and it's also her hang out with the Felix the Cat. The animation is good. Oh, and one more thing. Now when I hate these characters, I hate our Professor C. Why? Because of our the trying to cause Felix the Cat trouble, and because make a crowd with you are Felix the Cat or her friend. The animation is awesome. The music is so good. The cat is awesome. And the actress is awesome. And this show with all of the few movies is called Felix the Cat the Movie and Felix the Cat Saves Christmas, which is a great movie. Too bad this show got cancelled in May 1960, and too bad they got cancelled of the chicken of the year in 1961. Oh, too bad this show got cancelled in 1961. But there was a good news. New spin-off this show is called Happy Felix and Friends. This baby of Felix looks the adorable, cute, and amazing, awesome, right? Do you know likes this show? Me. I wish I had my number one favorite show because I love it. And do you know who hit this show? Bronson Rock's Fishbone Socks. He made a run on in this show, but his opinion is simpler. So Felix the Cat rocks, and suggests these double movies. Hickleytown Hero sucks. Note, if you like this show, I can add your opinion. And salute. If you have any requests, let me know in the comments below.